Question number 2. Interest. Ravi borrowed rupees 4,5 at the rate of 10%, compounded half yearly or semi-annually in the beginning of 2078 BS. But due to the liquidity crisis in the banking sector, the interest was increased by 2% for the next year. Question number 1. Find CI for 2078 PS. And compound interest in the end of 2079 BS. Another, if the rate was not increased, find the CI in the end of 2079 BS. Quick question. Ravi took a loan, means borrowed rupees 4 lakh from a bank at the rate of 10% compounded half yearly in the beginning of 2078 BS. But due to the liquidity crisis in the banking sector, the bank increased the rate by 2% for the next year. He took the loan for 2 years, but after 1 year, the rate was increased. So you have to divide 2 years into 2 parts. First year and second year. First year rate 10%, compounded half yearly. Second year also compounded 10 plus 2 because the bank increased the rate. So what you should do? Solution. Case 1. In 2078, what is the sum? Rupees 4 lakh. What is the rate? 10%. T equal 1 year. Because it is the first year. First year na 2078 PS. Find the compound interest for 2078 at the end of 2078. So T equal 1 year. CI equal P bracket 1 plus R by 200 to the power twice T minus 1. See, it's your task. P 4 into 10 to the power 5. 1 plus R 10 by 200 to the power 2 into 1 minus 1. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1.052 minus 1. Calculate this. At the end of the year, first year, he has to pay this much loan. Please, you are allowed to use a calculator for the sake of convenience. See how to use 1.05 whole square. 1.05 whole square minus 1 equal to 0.1025 into 4,000 into 4. Directly I found rupees 41,000. Use the process. Students are allowed, students are requested to use the whole process. 41,000. What is the interest paid to be paid? 41,000 is the interest paid at the end of 2078. Let me know, please. And for case 2, what is the sum? 4 lakh plus 41,000. Now add 1 0 0 0 plus 4 rupees 441,000. Ravi deposited this much amount for second year, case 2 in 2079 BS. New rate equal, first of all, 10%. Due to the banking crisis, liquidity crisis, the new rate was 10 plus 2, 12%. And CI for the next year, P1 plus R by 200 to the power twice T minus 1. Here, this principal is the sum of first loan plus interest, because this interest was deposited for the next year. So he has to pay the interest of interest. So 441,000 1 plus 12 by 200 to the power 2 into 1 minus 1. Tan is 1 year. Now 441,000 1 plus 12 by 200. See, 1 plus 12 divided by 200 equal 1.06. 1.062 minus 1. So process. Now what you have to do? Whole square minus 1 441,000 into 01236 into 441,000 equal 545076. He has to pay this much CI. Again check, you have to check like this: 441,000 into 0.1236 5450 point, there is point 5450.76, 5451 nearly. So he has to pay 5451 for the second year at the end of 2009. But C number question is, if the rate was not increased, how much will he have to pay? If the rate was not increased, means here CI for the same rate, P1 plus R by 100 twice T minus 1, P441000 1 plus 10 by 200, 2 into 1 minus 1. 441000, this one is 1.05. 1.05 whole square minus 1. How much is this? 1.05 whole square minus 1. 1.05 whole square minus 1. 441000 into 0.1025 into, now again 441000 into 0.1025 rupees 4520 2.5. He has to pay this much interest. Again check. Interest paid. Again 11236. Again check. 441000 into 0.1236 into 0.1236 54507 54507 54507.6 54508 54508 54508 calculate 54508. First case rupees 54508. If the rate was increased, he has to pay 54508. But if the rate was not increased, he has to pay 4520 2.5, or nearly 45203, 45,000, 54,000, 9,000 more. Due to the increase in the rate, he has to pay something more. This was for today.